Coordinates. In today's lesson, we will be looking at plotting coordinates. Before we can plot coordinates, we need to have an understanding of what an axis is, because a coordinate is plotted on an axis. So we normally have the y coordinate and the x coordinate. So let's plot that on. Just going to draw myself a line going this way and a line going this way. Now this is an axis, okay? This one here, get rid of the ruler, is the x-axis, and that there is the y-axis. Then we need to plot some numbers on our x and y-axes. Now my squares are quite big, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say that here is 0, so let's do it in a different colour pen, 0. I'm going to say that there is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this way it'll be negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, and -9. Same with the others. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and we'll do the same this way. Negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7. So this here is an axis. Now, when you have a coordinate, it's always in the form of two numbers in a bracket, like this. The first number is always the x number, and the second number is always the y number. Let's have a look then of how to plot some coordinates. Let's plot 1, 4. So that is the x value, and that is the y value. So find the number 1 on the x-axis, and then go up to number 4, and there we are. And I'm going to put a little dot there. That's 1, 4. It's always the x first and then the y. So you find your number on the x-axis and then find number on the y-axis. Let's do another one. Let's do 5, 7. So again, x number and y number. So on your x-axis, find 5, which I have, and then go all the way up to 7 and a dot there. Let's plot -2, 3. Again, x and y. So on my x-axis, find -2 and go all the way up to +3, and you can put a dot or even a cross. How about -4, -2 this time? That is x and that is y. So you go on to -4 and then go down to -2. And again, you can put a dot or a cross. It's really important that you get your x and your y values correct. Otherwise, when you've plotted your coordinate, your answer will be incorrect. When you plot coordinates, it is normally useful when you're doing straight line graphs. So if your coordinates are incorrect, then your graph is also going to be incorrect. So again, let's have a look at a few other ones. So we've done some positive examples. We've done a positive and negative and 2 negative examples. Let's have a look at a few more. 0, 0, where do we think that will be? Well, that's just in the middle. 0, 0 here, I'm going to put a cross there. That is also called the origin. You might have something like this, 0, 5. Again, that's your x and that's your y. So 0 is on the x-axis, which is here, 0, and you go up to 5, and there you are. You might have 0, -2. Again, that's your x and that's your y. So 0 and x down to -2, and there you are. Okay. You might also have something like this. 1, 0. That's your x number, that's your y number. Well, your x is 1, and it says 0 for y, you're not going anywhere, so that is your coordinate there. You might have -6, 0. Again, that's your x, and that's your y. So you find -6 on your x-axis, which is here, and oh, it's not going up anywhere for y, so it's just there. And that is it. So we've plotted different kinds of coordinates on an axis. We've looked at what an axis is, and we have plotted some coordinates. Thank you for watching.